Hey, what is up guys, it's Ultimate Zay here, and today we are going to be doing a little bit of testing. We have a CO2 gun, it's not real. CO2 gun, safety is on. And we have this paste that is really freaking strong. I took a few hits with a hammer and nothing is done with it. This is made out of sawdust and water. And you mix it around with your hand and put it in a freezer, and now it's really hard. Watch. Man, it took a chunk out of the tree. It's walking around, so I got my safety gun over there. But I'm done. Here, I'll like throw it at the tree. That sound like. And those are my neighbors. So not even dent. So we're gonna start shooting them with my CO2 gun. I hit with a hammer, hard to kill. Didn't do a single thing. So set this up against the tree. Sorry, I'm barefooted and I'm stepping in a bunch of pine cones and needles and stuff. So I'm gonna go back over there to my pool. It's kind of not full though. So, okay. So I'm gonna. I don't know where I'm gonna set my phone. Here. Set my phone. Here, give me a second so I can figure out where to set my phone. Okay, sorry I couldn't get a better angle, but that's the best thing I can. I'm gonna go back there, shoot my gun, and we're gonna see what happens to it. Face it down a little bit more. Take the breath. I'll see y'all in a second. Okay, let's see what we did. I had it facing directly at the camera so we could see better. Let's fix the camera. It's upside down.